Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Robinhood. Specifically, we're taking a look at their website, found at Robinhood.com. Robinhood is a popular platform offering commission-free trading of stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. Their stated aim is to democratize finance for all, providing easy access to investment opportunities. When you visit the website, you're greeted with a clean, modern design. The interface is clearly designed with user-friendliness in mind, making navigation intuitive and straightforward, even for beginners. They prominently feature information about their various offerings, highlighting key features and benefits like fractional shares and recurring investments. Robinhood emphasizes its educational resources, offering a learning center with articles and videos designed to help users understand investing concepts and build their confidence. They also showcase their commitment to security, outlining measures they take to protect user data and funds. The site clearly outlines the different account types available, from their standard cash account to their gold premium offering with margin trading and additional research tools. Robinhood makes it easy to explore their platform with clear calls to action inviting users to sign up and start investing. The site provides detailed information about fees, including those associated with specific transactions and account types, ensuring transparency. Beyond the core investment services, Robinhood also highlights features like cash management accounts with debit card functionality, further expanding their financial ecosystem. The overall presentation on Robinhood.com emphasizes simplicity and accessibility, focusing on empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. They present a clear value proposition, highlighting their commission-free model and user-friendly platform. While the site promotes its benefits, it also acknowledges the inherent risks of investing and provides resources to help users make informed decisions. The design of the site is responsive, working seamlessly across different devices. Whether you're on a desktop computer, tablet, or mobile phone, the experience remains consistent and user-friendly. This makes it convenient to manage your investments and stay up to date on market activity no matter where you are. Robinhood clearly positions itself as a modern, tech-forward platform for a new generation of investors.